In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Wix in just 5 minutes. Adding a new page to your Wix website is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll have the skills to expand your site with ease. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Your dashboard is the command center for your website, where you can access all the tools you need to manage and customize your site. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a button that says Design Site. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to the Wix website editor, where the magic happens. The editor is a powerful tool that allows you to make all sorts of changes to your website, from design tweaks to adding new features. On the left side of this editor, you will notice a menu. Among the options, you'll see Pages and Menu. Click on this tab to open up a panel showing all the current pages on your website. At the bottom of this panel, there's a convenient Plus Add Page button. Clicking this will give you the opportunity to create something new. Now, Wix offers great flexibility here. You can either start fresh with a blank page, which is perfect if you have a unique vision you want to bring to life. Alternatively, you can choose from a variety of templates that Wix provides. These templates are tailored for different purposes, such as an About page, a Contact page, or a Services page, giving you a head start with professional designs. Once you've decided whether to start with a blank slate or a ready-made template, you'll need to give your new page a name. Naming is an important step as it helps you and your visitors identify the purpose of the page easily. Enter your chosen name in the provided field. With the naming done, click Done. And just like that, the new page is added to your site. At this point, your page exists, but it needs some content to truly shine. Now it's time to design the new page by adding elements such as text to share written information, images to captivate your visitors visually, buttons for interactivity, and more. Take your time to arrange these elements in a way that aligns with your website's aesthetic and goals. Finally, after you're satisfied with the look and functionality of your new page, head over to the top right corner and click on Preview to see everything in action. Once you're happy and everything looks just right, publish your changes to make them live for your visitors to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page to your Wix site. Whether for sharing more about your business, providing additional contact information, or something else entirely, expanding your site is now as easy as pie. Happy editing!